welcome to our channel. You are watching Aroma Dish. Hi, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to do a simple and mouth-watering dish, which is chicken curry with potatoes. Chicken curry with potatoes is the most common chicken curry recipe in Malaysia. Everywhere you go, chicken curries are served everywhere, and you will find this type of chicken curry. The first and main step of our cooking today is that we need to clean our chicken and we need to marinate the chicken with turmeric paste, ginger, garlic and salt mixed with chicken. Let the chicken absorb all the flavor around 30 minutes. These are the ingredients that we need for our cooking today. Firstly, we need to add 3 tablespoons of ghee. Ghee is more preferable for our recipe today because ghee offers a pleasant smell and also a flavorful taste to our curry. And moving on, we need to add cinnamon stick, cardamom and also anise star. Next, we need to add 2 sliced onion. Mix it all together. We need to stir the onion from time to time until it turned into golden. After the onion is resulted into a golden color, we need to add pounded garlic and ginger. Mix it all together well. Next, we need to add curry leaves for the fragrance of our curry. And 1 chili cut into half. Next, we need to add 1 sliced tomato for a slightly sour taste, and we need to stir the tomato well until it becomes completely mushy and also the raw smell has gone. Next, we need to add diced carrot and also potatoes. Carrots are optional. We can use other than carrots. We need to mix the mixture well and also evenly. After the mixture has softened a bit, we need to add curry meat powder. Stir it all together. After the curry meat powder paste, we need to add 2 cups of water to the mixture. After that, we need to let the curry boil well, and we have to add the chicken until we can sense the raw smell is gone. After adding the chicken, we need to stir it all together well. We need to keep on stirring from time to time so that the chicken is spreaded all together in the curry. We can add more water according to the thickness of the curry. We need to let the curry boil for 10 minutes. Later, we need to add coconut milk to our curry because coconut milk can make the curry more gravy and also can give a better taste. Lastly, we need to add a pinch of salt as per taste. And stir it well. This is the result of our delightful simple chicken curry. Viewers can share their experience after trying our recipe in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel and also turn on the bell button to get notified.